Hi, my name is Jess with Rovi Homes. Today we're at Kai Sushi Bar and Grill. It's my favorite sushi and my favorite restaurant in Worcester, and today we're gonna eat some sushi. My brother-in-laws own this place. They have a sister restaurant where I actually met my future husband. Before we really started saving for the wedding, we'd come like once a week. It was bad. And I actually have been coming here since I was probably like a freshman in high school. I used to live down the street and it was just like my favorite spot. Everybody just knows each other. All of my worlds like kind of combine, like my friends, my family, my love for sushi, my future husband. It's just like this is like a community here. The regular customers like all know each other. We just like all know each other and talk to each other and just have like a great time. I like the Red Sox Roll. It's so refreshing. It's so crisp with the apple. It's game changing. And it's the roll I recommend to everybody. They have an Instagram page. He takes pictures of the rolls and he puts them online, and they're just like, they're beautiful. This is gonna sound weird because it's a sushi restaurant, but I think we have the best steak here. So even if you don't like sushi, there's something for everyone here. Thanks for coming to Kai Sushi Bar with me. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. My name's Jess, so if you're ever in the neighborhood, feel free to give me a call and we can swing by and eat some sushi together.